Welcome back to the Mother Fashion, the channel where grace, glamour, and royalty meet. If you are fascinated by the timeless style of women who have left their mark on fashion history, you are in the right place. Today's video is dedicated to none other than Princess Catherine, known to many as Kate Middleton. Yes, both names belong to the same incredible woman, the Princess of Wales, future queen and a fashion icon of our time. So stay with us, we explore her evolution, her fashion choices, and how she continues to inspire millions around the world. Catherine Elizabeth Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, England, growing up in middle-class family. Kate's sense of style was shaped by elegance, simplicity, and class. From her days at St Andrews School and Melbourne College to her time at the University of St Andrews, Kate always carried himself with a natural poise. Even before marrying into the royal family, her fashion choices were the subject of media attention. Chic jeans, tailored coats, and sophisticated boots quickly became part of her signature style. When Kate married Prince William in 2011, she officially stepped into the global spotlight. The world watched her fairy tale wedding, dressed in that unforgettable Alexander McQueen gown designed by Sarah Burton. Her entrance into the royal family marked the beginning of a new era in royal fashion, blending tradition with modern elegance. The transformation from Kate Middleton to Princess Catherine was not just about a title, it was a full evolution in presence, grace, and influence. Now let's dive into what makes Princess Catherine's style so captivating. First, tailored coats. Whether it's a public appearance or a royal tour, Cat's coats are always beautifully structured and perfectly fitted. Second, solid colors and monochromes. She is known for choosing bold, solid shades, blues, greens, and reds, often matching her hats, clutches, and heels. Third, recycling outfits. Yes, even a princess repeat outfits. This reliability is one reason she is loved by so many. Fourth, sport for British designers. Kate often wears pieces by Alexander McQueen, Jenny Beckham, Emilia, and Catherine Walker, promoting British fashion. Kate's maternity fashion became a statement of its own. Comfortable yet elegant, her wardrobe during her three pregnancies included flora prints, empire line dresses, and soft pastel coats. Even motherhood, she proved that style does not have to be sacrificed for comfort. Let's not forget her iconic glossy, always styled to perfection from flowing colors to elegant subdoors. Her makeup is understand natural tones, soft peaks, and flower skins, which enhance her regal looks without overpowering. Its accessories kit is rarely seen without a clutch bag and often pairs her outfits with hats and fascinators that add a royal flair. Every time Kate appears in public, the cat effect takes over outfits she wears sell out in hours. Fashion bloggers, designers, and magazines follow her style. She bridges the gap between luxury and high street, often mixing Zara and Topshop with high-end designers. Let's look at a few of her most iconic fashion moments. The royal wedding gown, timeless and historical. Her emerald Jenny Pickham dresses during the Pakistan tour. The sparkling gold Jenny Pickham gown at the James Bond premiere. Each of these outfits tell us a story of grace, diplomacy, and attention to detail. Princess Catherine is more than a style icon. She is a symbol of poise, purpose, and progress. Her fashion journey reflects her role not only as a royal, but as a woman of influence and compassion. Thank you for joining us today, Mother Fashion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another video about your favorite fashion icon. Leave a comment below and let us know which of Kate Middleton's looks is your favorite. When you comment, it tells us we are not alone. When you share, it tells us this content deserves to be seen. Mother Fashion is not just a YouTube channel, it's a community, a space where we celebrate women who have influenced the world through their fashion, their strength, and their grace. A place where elegance meets storytelling, a place where you are part of the journey. So let's grow together, let's build something meaningful, let's inspire each other. Once again, if you have not already subscribed, wait till the end, like, comment, and share. And join us every day for a new chapter in the world of women's fashion and legacy. This is Mother Fashion, not just about clothes, it's about class, culture, and the women who define it. Thank you again for watching and thank you for being a part of this journey. Whether you are a fan of the royal family or simply love fashion and beauty, this video is a must watch for anyone who admires Princess Cat's unique blend of style, grace, and charm. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty content. She frequently wears dresses and coats by Alexander McQueen, Jackie Pickham, and Catherine Walker. For official engagements, Cat often chooses formal knee-length dresses in bold colors. For more casual events, Cat opts of jeans, blouses, and tailored blazers. Cat's haircut has evolved over the years from a long straight style to a short, more textured look. Her signature blonde in the hallmark of her polish put together. For red carpet events, Cat chooses glamorous gowns by top designer. She often adds statement piece of jewelry like a tiara or earring to complement her outfits. Cat's wardrobe staples include classic white shirt, tailored trousers, and fitted blazer. She adapts her most style to suit the season, opting for lighter colors and fabrics in summer. In autumn, Cat often wears warm, rich colors like burgundy and orange. In winter, she chooses cozy layered outfits in icy blue and whiteys. In inspiring, Cat often wears bright floral dresses and skirts. In summer, she opts for bold, bright colors like yellow and pink. Cat's hair colors have remained a consistent dark brown over the years. She often adds texture and volume to her hair and with a blowout of styling products. Cat's glowing skin is a thanks to consistent skincare routine and mineral makeup. Her makeup style is a natural and understated with a focus on enhancing her features. While Cat often plays it safe with her fashion choices, she is not afraid to take risks and try new trends. Some of Cat's most iconic looks include her wedding dresses and her 2012 Olympic Games outfits. As a fashion trendsetter, Cat's outfits are often emulated by fans and fashionists around the world. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your family and friends. So beautiful viewers and all my subscribers in my channel, you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. However, I want to be honest with you, creating content every day, it's incredibly challenging. It takes a lot of time, efforts and resources. That's why I need your support. If you enjoy my content, please consider watching all my videos, liking and commenting on them, sharing them with your friends and family, and subscribing to my channel if you have not already yet. With your support, I can continue creating high quality content for you. I have some exciting plans and collaboration coming up, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. So I will see you in the next video.